Hello family, Sir here. In this video, I'm going to tour a home with you. It is actually a new floor plan by MI Homes. It's not on their website. You're not going to see any other videos of it. It is brand new. This floor plan checks off a lot of boxes for a lot of families. It has a guest suite downstairs with a full bathroom, and you can add a third story. Come with me, let's go look at this home, and I will tell you what the amazing price is to add that third level. Let's get into it. Now, if you like this floor plan, please reach out to my team and I. The contact information is on the screen. Now, this home is available. This is the Bayley floor plan, and this is located in the Poplin Grove Community in Indian Trail, North Carolina. It is a 5-bedroom home, and you will see that it has just about everything one could want in a home. You come in, to the left you have the traditional dining area. Then you have a half bath right here. Now please pay attention because you will not be able to go online and check and see this floor plan because it's not on their website. This is your open living room, kitchen, dining area. You have the coffered ceilings. In the living room, sorry for all the cabinetry out. They haven't installed everything just yet. The home is being constructed, as you can see. Now, this is part of MI Homes Traditions series, so you get a lot of upgrades that you would be paying extra for from other home builders. I'll go over that in a second. You have a covered patio in the backyard. Now they haven't obviously done the landscaping. They haven't laid the sod out, but they will. So you'll have nice lush grass by the time you move in. You have a gas range. Then against this wall, you have a refrigerator that goes right there. And then you have the deluxe kitchen package, which comes standard in this series of MI Homes with the oven and microwave built into the cabinets. The guest suite, we will check that out in a second. Let's go look at this humongous pantry. And this very large drop zone. Typically, most drop zones are half of that. That is a lot of space right there. And this is your guest suite. You can use it as an office, but if you have in-laws or parents who do not want to come upstairs, have trouble with the stairs, this is perfect for them. They have their own little wing downstairs. They're not interfering with anybody. They have their own room, full bathroom, stand-up walk-in shower to where they don't have to worry about climbing over the tub. One more look at the coffered ceilings. Now the coffered ceilings is extra. That is not standard. Standard is tray ceilings downstairs in the living room. Now let's go upstairs. You have a loft area right at the top of the stairs. Then you have one full bath right here. This could be almost used for another guest suite if you wanted to. Or if you have older kids, they can have this side of the home. Large laundry room. Now let's go to the other wing where you have a Jack and Jill bedroom and bathroom. All of these rooms are very good size. You have a dual vanity sink right here. tub shower combination. Then you go into the other bedroom. So this is bedroom number 4. And we're about to head to the owner's suite, the primary suite right here. You have tray ceilings, very large room. Bed will go right there. Now in my homes, you'll see that the Tradition series, the rooms, pretty much all the rooms are very, very good size. Now let's go into the ensuite. Now this is what I love about this home as it's currently configured, is this humongous football field of a shower. That whole wall is a shower. 2 different waterfall shower heads on either side, as well as shower heads coming out of the wall. 2 benches. That shower is humongous. They did an excellent design with that shower. I can't wait to come back and film it when it is fully completed. You have a very substantial walk-in closet. There go your waterfall shower heads, and then the one coming out of the wall. Now let's go to the loft area so I can show you what could be done and how much it costs. You will be pretty shocked, I believe. If you've been in any new construction meetings as far as pricing to add a 3rd level, whether it be an upstairs or a basement, you know on average to add a basement, it's anywhere from $80,000 to $110,000 to add that 3rd level. Well, here you can add a 3rd level upstairs and it will only cost you $19,000 to have it finished. A finished 3rd level bonus room, only $19,000 for this floor plan, the Bayley floor plan by MI Homes. Now, if you wanted to add a bathroom in addition to the bonus room, that is only $21,000. I just went to a pricing appointment with another builder for a client, and to add an upstairs with a bathroom, the price was going to be just over $55,000. This is an amazing value at $21,000. Please reach out to me. My team and I would love to help you and advise you whether you want to buy in this community or anywhere in the greater Charlotte area, but we also have team members throughout North Carolina and South Carolina. I'm Sir Ashley. Talk soon.